Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I easily got this color patch and how to install a kinky straight wig. This is the brand that I'm using to get this color. It's so easy. All you do is follow the steps. You just mix the products in with one another, apply it on the hair, wash it out, and move on. It's very easy to use. It's some simple directions, easy as 1 2 3 4 5, literally. I washed the bleach off. It was a little messy, but that's okay. Now I'm just blow drying the hair out. This is a kinky straight texture. I really love this hair. I really love this texture in general. And I'm just blow drying it. And when you blow dry this hair, it looks like a blowout. I love the way that looks. Stay tuned for the finished results. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and a like. With this install, I'm going to be using glue. Whenever you're using glue, you have to make sure you absolutely clean everything off of your skin. Starting out with alcohol, then you're going to proceed with the bold hold skin protectant, then you're going to proceed with the bold hold glue. The day that you have been waiting for is finally here. The bold hold active that you see me using in this video is available for purchase at thehairdiagram.com. Feel free to go and stop by. Once you have applied the lace into the glue, you're going to go ahead and melt it. Melting it just means that you're pressing the lace into the glue and allowing it to cure. Cure means you're allowing it to set in and set. I don't know any other way to put that. You can purchase one of these head wraps on my website at HairByErickaJ.com. And they are really useful when you're trying to melt your lace, when you're taking a shower, when you're working out, or all of the above. This is going to allow your lace to melt and allow your lace to last. If you do not wear laces, you can also just use them for your regular edges, and they are made out of silk. And I really love these. Now I'm just blowing the hair out, because when you blow out this texture, it looks like an actual blowout when you get your hair pressed and blowed. Now the great reveal. The lace has completely melted, and these should be your results. Now I'm just showing you guys how to do the back of your lace. I know you wanted me to do a video of how you secure the back of your lace to make it look natural. But with this wig, I cannot do that because it has a band attached in the back of this lace. You can only achieve that natural look with a full lace wig that does not have a band attached at the back of it with the adjustable straps. So I'm showing you another technique. Whenever you see me apply a full lace wig on a client or a lace front wig on a client, this is what I do to the back of the wig. I don't glue the back of the wig down unless they want that high ponytail, natural back look, back of the lace, supernatural look. However, it doesn't last very long because you sweat more at the back of your head and you're bending your head down more, so it doesn't last as long. So whenever you see me applying the back of a wig, or whenever you see me applying a wig on this channel and you want to know how I do the back, this is what I do. I just sew. It's kind of hard to explain, honestly. I just sew like into the wig, onto the braids underneath the wig, so when you pull it up, it still looks natural. As soon as I get a wig that's a full lace wig and it's a lace all the way around with no bands attached to it, we will definitely get into how you get a super natural back of your lace. Now you're just going to wrap the process up with styling it as you want. I'm just going to show you guys a few styles that I did. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, you already know the routine. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support and see you in my next video.